Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's take a moment to reflect on September 4th and the remarkable events that have shaped our world. On this day in 476, the last Roman emperor of the West, Romulus Augustulus, was deposed, marking a significant turning point in history as it signaled the fall of the Western Roman Empire. Fast forward to 1888, when George Eastman patented the first roll film, revolutionizing photography and making it accessible to the masses. And in 1957, the first successful launch of a satellite by the Soviet Union, Sputnik 1, opened the door to space exploration. Each of these moments reminds us of the power of change and innovation. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to follow for more fascinating stories.